question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. With it means with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. In this case, suppose this is the tree. This is the height of the tree. Due to storm, this tree breaks down and the top of the tree touches the ground. Suppose it bends like in this manner and the top of the tree touch the ground. And they are saying that due to storm and the broken part bend, so that this is the broken part. Suppose this is the broken part and this broken part bends so that the top of the tree, this is the top of the tree, touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. So it means this 30 degree angle is with the ground. So this is the angle here, this 30 degree angle. This tree makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Next one, the distance between the foot of the tree. Foot of the tree means this point is A point. A, B and C. A is the foot of the tree. So the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Where the top touches the ground is point C. And this AC distance is 8 meters. So it means this one side is given to us again and this one angle is given to us. Next, which value we want to find out? Find the height of the tree. What is the total height? This is the total height. But due to storm, this tree break down. So it means AB plus BC. Can we say that? Total length of tree. What is the total length of tree? This AB plus BC. AB plus BC not equal to AB because AB is the part of a tree. Because it breaks down due to storm and the total height of the tree will be AB and the part which bend down. So it means AB plus BC is the total length and this length we want to find out in this question. Now next one is, it means we want to find out these two sides AB and BC and this one side is given to us. So again PBP, HHB. Now which value is given to us? If this 30 degree angle is given to us, so side adjacent to this angle is base. It means base is given to us and this side is the perpendicular. Perpendicular we want to find out and hypotenuse we want to find out. So in this case, base is given to us. If we use this third ratio, why? Because perpendicular divided by base, and if you want to use this second condition, base divided by hypotenuse, 100% you can apply, it's your choice. But you have to consider the ratio in which we have base. Why? Because base value is given to us and only then we can find out other value. Now if we consider P divided by B, so what is this ratio? Tangent theta. And here what is theta? Theta is 30 degree. So tangent 30 degree. And perpendicular value we want to find out. Perpendicular is AB divided by base is 8 equal to. Now what is the value of tangent 30? Tangent 30 value is 1 divided by root 3. So when we take 8 to right hand side, then AB will be equal to 8 divided by root 3 and unit is meter. So this is the length of this perpendicular. Next one we want to find out which one? Hypotenuse we want to find out. Because why? Because we need AB and BC both values. If we want to find out this hypotenuse, now perpendicular we have, base we have. So which condition we want to use? Suppose we want to use this relation and if you want to use sine relation, then you can, there will be no any problem. Okay, so next one is B divided by H. B divided by H and this ratio is cos theta. Again theta is 30 degree and base is 8 divided by hypotenuse is BC equal to cos theta is cos 30 degree. Now what is the value of cos 30? 8 divided by BC equal to cos 30 value is root 3 divided by 2. Now when we apply cross multiplication, root 3 times of BC, and BC will be equal to 16 divided by root 3, and root 3 is in denominator, so multiply and divide by root 3. 16 times of root 3 divided by 3 meter. This is the length of BC. Root 3 divided by 3 meter, and also root 3 is in denominator. So again multiply and divide by root 3. Root 3 into root 3. So this value is 8 times of root 3 divided by 3 meter. But total length we want to find out. It means AB plus BC. Now AB value is, so AB plus BC will be equal to, AB is 8 times of root 3 upon 3 plus 16 times of root 3 divided by 3. So this sum is 3 is the LCM. 8 times of root 3, 16 times of root 3. 16 plus 8 is 24 times of root 3 divided by 3. 8 is 24. 8 times of root 3 meter. So this is the total height of this tree, and this is the required one.